Welcome to my backyard again. Try to find a spot where there's no eh, disruptions. As you can see, my grass is getting yellow. It's very hard to balance it out for some reason. Um, the drainage in this backyard is not even. So if I turn the sprinklers on every day, this is all green, but there's a corner behind the pool over here that gets flooded, and also right there it all gets flooded, and over here in the front too. So if I want to use the pool and want to walk over here, I have to walk through the mud. That's no fun. Anyway, so I adjusted the sprinkler so it only goes on every other day, and now with the heat wave, grass is getting yellow, and I'm trying to save it with a manual or little sprinkler, but I don't know if I don't know if it's working. Same thing is happening in the front yard too. Man, this chair I'm sitting on, it's one of these little plastic ones, and when I first got it, I sat on it, and the legs kept popping just a tiny bit at a time, but I could feel it, and so they were spreading slowly. It's not made for my girth. It's one of these. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so yeah, what I did is I drilled holes in the legs, in the front and in the back, and then I got some metal wire, and I put some hooks on each side and connected the wire, and that holds the legs together, and now it holds me really well. I've had them here for 2 years now, and it works really good, but this year I feel like it keeps leaning back more and more, and I think something's compromised in that way. Anyway, welcome to vlog number 29. And today, it's going to be more of a rant than a story, because I wanted to talk about how today's artists are lazy. And you probably never thought about it, but now that I mentioned it, you're probably going to realize that it's true. Remember artists like Picasso and Da Vinci and who else was there? Michelangelo, Master Splinter. Just joking. Anyway, they used to paint beautiful works of art. Took them months, years to paint it, and the statues that they made out of marble, with a chisel, and the beautiful architecture that they designed and built, that was, lots of effort. They poured their soul into it. And nowadays, it's embarrassing the kind of art that people produce. For instance, I saw one where it's just a canvas, a white canvas, with a banana duct tape to it. not everything that makes you think about is art. Think about it is art. I mean, if you're after like a conversation piece, okay. A banana duct taped to a canvas on your wall, I'll say it's a conversation starter. Um, or if they take and splatter paint on a canvas. I mean, it's abstract, I guess, but I just feel like it's lazy art. I wish people would spend some time and create art that's worth it. Is my phone overheating? It keeps getting darker and darker. I hope it's working. And I hope it's not smeared. If it turns off, you'll know why. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to talk about these artists today. I like art. I sometimes I'll go and sit down and just draw something. It's more of a doodle. I'll just create some kind of lines and then build something out of it that looks interesting. I really like the stippling where you draw things with dots. That's also cool. My daughter is really good at it. But come on, artists, put some effort into it. I just feel like there's so much more in you if you're an artist and you have this thing where you can balance different colors on a piece of canvas. I feel like there's more in you. You can produce better quality stuff. Spend some time on it. And don't just whip it out in 10 minutes. Spend an hour a day on it for a month, or a couple hours a week for a month. Put some of you into it. Then it'll be worth something. A splatter on the canvas is like hotel art. $15 at Hobby Lobby. Anyway, that's my thoughts. What do you think? What are your thoughts about art? Do you feel like modern art is just garbage? For the most part. Maybe I'll include some examples of the art I'm talking about. Or maybe I won't. I don't want to make anybody feel bad about themselves. But you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching. It's a short video. Hope you got something to think about, especially if you're an artist. Come on, put some of yourself into your art. Pour your heart out into it. So then somebody can enjoy it for longer than 5 seconds to start a conversation. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.